When you come here like an immigrant, you don't have enough money, you don't have a credit, you don't have nothing. Here, when I open, everything is my own pocket. Here we serve Senegalese food, and it's the only Senegalese restaurant in Michigan.
How many years now?
Man, this is like 6 months.
So brand new.
Brand new. As soon as I open it, the same day, the next day, everybody come in, and the Detroit newspaper, they come here, eat, and they say, oh man, we gotta put this in the news, man. We gotta put this in the paper. That's why I have all the customers.
So the name of the restaurant is named after your wife.
Yep,
Right.
she's right here next to me cooking.
Hello.
Yep.
And then you also have your mother in here cooking, man.
Oh yeah.
It's a family thing.
Family thing, yep. Like the chicken, it's the best chicken in the whole town, that's what the people say.
We put a little bit mustard, so we cook it like high. When we're done with that, we have to fry it. That's the sauce we dip the chicken. So it's mustard in there, black pepper, garlic, vinegar, color peppers. Seasoning is called like jumbo.
That's the magic.
Yep. We're gonna make like the grilled fish. So that's the whole fresh tilapia. So the fish have its own sauce too. Garlic mustard, lemon, pepper, paprika, and the jumbo. So we call it like poisson braisé. Poisson mean like fish.
So there was French influence in there?
In Senegal, yep.
Okay.
We speak Wolof. The second language is French.
I love cook, I love eat.
Oh yeah.
Look the belly.
A peanut butter soup, they're called mafe. My customers ask me about it every day.
A peanut buttered stew cooked down with peanuts and tomato paste, crispy spring roll wrapper, some braised chicken.
Yeah.
Delicious, man. This is the dish that everyone's been coming here for.
Yes.
The chicken
Crispy
yassa.
chicken, yep.
I'm like speechless right now. The onion sauce,
So
the yassa, the lemon and mustard. Oh, that's delicious. You came to America at what age?
I came to America at 25 years old. I have my uncle over there. When I come to JFK Airport, they put me in a limo because the guy was a limo driver.
All right.
He come pick me up. I said, "Oh my God, this is America."
Yeah.
And when first thing I see, they have a big chicken in the window, and I say, "Oh my God, that's a big chicken. Let me buy this." In Africa, you cannot eat chicken like that every day because only boss people.
Okay.
The next day, I see some Senegalese people from my country. They're selling some umbrella, purses. The first day, I sell like almost $400. I say, wow, this is a lot of money. I wake up 6 in the morning the next day, and as soon as I start selling it, one guy comes here. He said, oh, police. I was very scared when I was in jail because I don't know nothing. When I go to the courthouse, the judge told me you're gonna come to say what day you wanna do it. I said, no, I wanna do it today because I wanna leave this today.
Yeah. That must have been a lot of emotion going through it.
Yeah, man, I said,
from
no,
this high of being in America, and
Yeah.
then what prompted you to say I gotta move to Detroit now?
I have a friend of mine here, and he said, man, come over here, you get 2 jobs. So when I come here, I work in an Applebee's restaurant, and I work at Tim Hortons. It's a bakery. I go to Applebee's 2 to 11, and go to Tim Hortons to 1 in the morning to 10 a.m. in the morning. Sleep like 4 or 5 hours, and Uber come up. Uber, I do it for 1 year, and Matty kept telling me, why can't we open another restaurant? And everybody in the Michigan love their food. Actually, all the African people here, they know them. We come here and open this one.
The city is still a long ways from where it was.
Yeah, but back in the day, around 2008 and 10 to 10 to 11, man, it was crazy. But now it's coming back up.
A lot more Africans are coming to Detroit.
Yeah, so we're gonna make big change here in this area. When you come back here next year or 2 years, you're gonna see it's gonna be African
And
town
you're
here.
right in the center of
Around
it.
in the center.
First restaurant in Africa town.
That's his story.
It's a great introduction to Senegalese food. Thank you very much, man.
Thank
I'm gonna
you.
eat here and gonna put my face down into the rest of this food.
Thank you.
Mole poblano, the one we make has 22 ingredients. We have cinnamon, oregano, all the seeds, chocolate, raisin, garlic, nuts.